Mercedes-Benz S-Class production begins inside a large-scale factory, engineered for absolute precision and luxury consistency.
S-Class construction starts with carefully selected structural materials designed for safety, comfort, and refinement. Controlled material handling ensures uninterrupted flow across the luxury sedan production network.
Material flatness and surface quality directly influence ride comfort and long-term structural stability.
Stamping operations shape the S-Class body with accuracy suitable for premium fit standards.
Parallel press lines support luxury output at industrial scale.
Automated stacking maintains surface quality while sustaining production rhythm.
Continuous panel flow prevents interruption in luxury sedan assembly.
Spacious body shops allow precision welding without congestion.
Automated alignment guarantees dimensional accuracy across every S-Class body.
High-precision welding creates rigid yet refined body shells. Controlled transport preserves geometry throughout assembly. Digital measurement validates geometry beyond standard automotive tolerances. Real-time feedback maintains consistent luxury build quality.
Surface preparation ensures long-term corrosion resistance and paint durability.
Chemical conversion strengthens paint adhesion across large body surfaces. Electrocoating protects hidden cavities essential for long-term ownership.
Thermal curing stabilizes coatings without inducing structural stress.
Prepared bodies advance seamlessly toward exterior finishing. Paint systems prioritize depth, consistency, and long-term gloss stability. Uniform application ensures visual harmony across every vehicle.
Clear coating enhances durability and visual refinement.
Slow curing preserves color accuracy and surface integrity.
Exterior finish meets flagship luxury expectations. Final assembly integrates precision engineering with luxury craftsmanship.
Electrical architecture supports advanced comfort and safety technologies.
Pre-assembled modules improve consistency and reduce handling stress.
Acoustic treatment defines the S-Class cabin experience. Seating systems balance comfort, ergonomics, and durability. Ensures perfect alignment and sealing. Body and chassis integration defines the vehicle's dynamic foundation. Powertrain integration balances performance with refinement. Suspension systems are central to the S-Class ride signature.
Braking performance supports vehicle mass and safety expectations.
Exhaust systems are engineered for quiet and smooth operation. Rolling components complete the vehicle stance. Mechanical systems are activated with controlled precision.
Initial activation verifies electronic harmony.
Lighting systems reflect safety and design leadership.
Interior materials define the S-Class luxury identity.
Roof systems enhance comfort and cabin atmosphere. Digital diagnostics verify system integration.
Visual inspection ensures flawless presentation. Dynamic testing confirms ride smoothness and stability.
Brake endurance testing validates safety margins.
Weather resistance is validated thoroughly. Alignment ensures straight line stability and tire longevity.
Presentation preparation completes manufacturing.
Drying ensures spotless delivery condition.
Output volume reflects flagship production scale. Traceability is enforced across the entire fleet.
Surface protection safeguards vehicles during logistics.
Finished sedans move directly toward global markets. Continuous operation supports worldwide demand.
Data-driven oversight maintains flagship standards.
Preventive maintenance protects uninterrupted production.
Continuous improvement sustains luxury leadership.
Line length reflects the complexity of luxury sedan manufacturing.
Scale and synchronization define industrial luxury. Cabin refinement becomes visible before delivery.
Controlled movement preserves alignment and finish quality.
Surface perfection completes brand presentation.
Uniformity reflects disciplined manufacturing.
Final approval confirms readiness for customers. Global logistics planning begins inside the factory. Manufacturing and distribution operate as one system.
Internal logistics sustain production efficiency.
Human oversight supports advanced automation. Consistency defines luxury manufacturing. Uniform lighting reveals even the smallest imperfections. Vehicles are protected until shipment. Logistics precision matches production accuracy. Output reflects sustained flagship demand.
Luxury manufacturing operates without interruption. Scale and refinement coexist inside the S-Class factory.
Brand standards are verified before release. Controlled transport protects luxury finishes.
Vehicles leave production in perfect condition.
Production never pauses for flagship vehicles.
Data ensures long-term manufacturing excellence. Equipment reliability supports consistency.
Factory design supports precision at scale.
The result reflects decades of luxury sedan leadership. Engineering discipline transforms materials into the benchmark of luxury sedans. Inside the factory where the Mercedes-Benz S-Class is built as the global standard for luxury sedans.